Everyone. So till now we have finished 4 chapters. Now we are starting with the 5th chapter, that is Advanced Features of MS Access 2010. So we have learnt about tables, reports, forms and queries. In this chapter you will learn more about these features and what all they can do. So let's get started. अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा है, टेबल्स, रिपोर्ट्स, फॉर्म्स और क्वेरीज क्या होती हैं. अब हम और फीचर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे इस चैप्टर में. सो क्वेरीज अलाउ द सिलेक्शन ऑफ डेटा फ्रॉम अ टेबल एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट. क्वेरी क्या होती है, ये हमारे सिलेक्शन को, मतलब जो हम चूज़ करना चाहते हैं वो डेटा को लेती है टेबल में से हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग. The data can be rearranged and changed and is used as a source for report and forms. Forms provide easy to use method for entering and editing of data. For those who are not familiar with Access, reports gets our data in the printer friendly format. So data can be rearranged and can be changed according to the as they used as a source of report and forms also. Then forms, they provide us easy to use method for editing and entering the data. And for those who are not familiar with Access, and then what is report, they give us the data in the printer friendly format. Then query, what is query, it helps us to get the selected data based on the specific search criteria that we want to search. What area we want to search, we can get from query. It search from one or more table. To do this, it search from more than one table also and one table also. Now you can design a query that will search the list of the student in which school who scored more than 90% marks, or design a query to find out about all the customers who made a purchase in the past year. So now they are giving an example that we have to find the names of the list of the students who scored more than 90% marks, and you have to design a query. And another one is you have to find about all the customers who have made purchase in the past years. Now creating query. How do we create a query? Steps are given here. You have to click on create tab. Then you have to go on query design from queries group. The next third step is click on the table which you want to use in the query. Then we have to click on add button. You can see in the figure also given on the right side. When you finish adding the tables, click on close button. After we have finished adding the tables, then we have to click on close button. The next screen appears. Next screen will be given here. So go on step 6. You can see in the figure also. Select the table which are to be included in the query. Arrange the field in order you want your query result. So you can select the field according to the query, and you can arrange the field according to your query result. For 7th step is for hiding one or more columns, clear show checkbox for those. For hiding one or more columns, you can clear show the checkboxes for them. Then step 8 is choose the field to sort by, and from the corresponding sort box choose the ascending or descending option. So you can choose the field to sort, and from the sort box you can choose ascending or descending. Then step 9 is in the quick access toolbar you can click on the save button. Then you can save the query with the name. For the first time if you are saving, then you can save it with the name, query name. Then you have to type the query name and click on OK button. Then 12th step is, now if you want to view the result, click on the run option to view the result in the design view. If you want to view the result, you can click on the run option, and from the design view you can see the result. The query result will appear in the data sheet view. Query result will be appearing in the data sheet view. The query result will get displayed. Now query result will be displayed. Now let's do it. Right, for first 4 steps to open a query, this we have to do in notebook. Then forms are, what are forms? It helps the user by providing an interface to edit, enter and view data in the form view. So what is form? It helps us, it is providing the user an interface to we can enter the data, edit or view the data in the form view also. Then text boxes and labels are the elements that a form is made up of. So what are text boxes and labels? These are the elements that a table forms are made up of. The elements are also known as control. So elements are known as control. This you have to mark. In form we can work in 3 types. There are 3 types of forms: forms view, layout view and the design view. So what is form view? In this view you can enter, edit and view the data in the form view. In this view we can enter, edit and view the data in the form. Then layout view, what is this view? In this view data and make the changes in the form, like changing size of the various control. We can enter, you can view the data, we can view the data and make the changes from the form according to the changing the size of the various controls. Then design view, what is design view? In this view only the structure of the form is displayed, only the structure is we can display. We can see the underlying data by perform some functions that can be performed in the layout view, such as head and footer we can do it here. Then creating form, how do we create a form? Steps are given here. Step 1 is in the form group of the create tab you have to click on the form option. Then for formatting the form you have to click on layout view. Then third step is for showing the insert picture dialog box, you have to click on the logo. Go on, see, you can see in the diagram also. Click on logo option. Insert picture dialog box will appear. Insert picture dialog box will be given over there. You can select a picture. Once I am reading the steps, you see the diagrams also along with it. Then you have to select the picture, click on OK button. After finishing, you have to click on OK button. Selected picture will get placed from the editing the title. Selected picture will be get placed. Then step 6 is click on the title button. You have to click on title button. Now you can change the title of the form. We can change the title also. For inserting date and time, if you want to insert the date and time, then go on. You have to click on date and time button. Then select a date and time and format in the dialog box. Then you can select any of the format. You can see on your right side the diagram. And after finishing, you have to click on OK button. Next are reports. What are reports? The data from tables and queries is used in the presentable manner in format so as to make our printout in the form of report. No change can be made to the data in the report. So what is report? It is a summarized result of whatever we are doing. So tables, data from the tables and queries or queries is used in presentable manner. Reports are the presentable manner of the tables or queries, whatever we are asking. So no changes can be made in the report. So there are 4 types of report: report view, print view, design view, and the layout view. What is report view? Report view is it allows us to only view data, but no change related changes can be made. So we cannot change the data, but no design related changes. Design related changes will not be done. Then print preview. In this view, the report is viewed as it is. It will appear after printing it. So what is print preview? After the once the picture is printed or the document is printed, what it will look like, कैसे दिखेगी, वो print preview कहलाता है. Then design view. This view is to display the structure of the report. No underlying data can be seen in this view, but changes can be made. It cannot take place in the layout view. So in this view, we can display. It is used for displaying the structure of the report. No underlying data will be seen in the view, but changes can be made. That cannot take place in the layout view. Then layout view क्या होता है? The data can be viewed and changes can be made in the report. Data can be viewed and changes can be made in this report. Then creating a report. How do we create a report? Steps are: select the query or base table in the navigation pane. You have to select the query or base table from the navigation pane. Then step second is in the report group of the create tab. You have to click on the report button. Then report will appear in the screen. You can see on the screen. For formatting the report, click on the layout view button. If you want to format the report, then you have to click on layout view button. For seeing how it will look when printed on the paper, click on the print preview button. If you want to look how it will appear on the after printing, you can click on print preview button. So the chapter is finished now. We will be continuing the next chapter on the next one. Thank you.